Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian and welcome to another one of my videos. Alright, today I'm going to show you how you guys can install graphics decals on your car and turn from this into this. Right, so that's beautiful. So I'm going to walk you guys step by step on how to create this. Alright, firstly, wash down your car. So you need to wash the panel of the side of the panel that you need, you're going to install the graphics. Wash it down and strip it off all the contaminants on the panels, and then prep the area, make sure it's dry, it's clean, it's dust free, and then we can move on to the next step. Alright, so here I'm going to show you guys what you guys need in order to install the graphics on your car. The first thing you need obviously is the graphics. So this is a graphic pinstripe which I bought from AliExpress, and this is just $10 for two sides, and that's really cheap. So if you guys are interested, I can leave a link down below. Alright, next item you'll need is isopropyl alcohol. This is 70% solution. You can get this from your local pharmacy. Next you'll need a microfiber towel. Then you need some solution. This Soapy solution is made up of dish washing detergent, about 5 drops and a bit of water, and that's it. Okay, next thing you need is a wrap glove, but if you don't have a wrap glove, you can do without. Next thing is the masking tape. It's about 1 inch. Okay, next you'll need is a very sharp knife, a blade, and lastly you need a squeegee. Alright, so, and this is a squeegee with a felt tip on it, and that's it. So let's start installing the graphics. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to lay out your graphics. Okay, lay out the graphics and see how you want to position the graphics on your car. So this is how I want the graphics on my car, and I've taped it down with my masking tape, put it in position. Now that your graphics is in position, put the masking tape down the middle of the graphics, fold it into half and remove the backing paper, and then spray your soapy water, squeegee all the graphics down, and do the same for the other side. Make sure you have squeegeed every part of the graphics down onto the car, and that's it. Alright, so as you can see, the next step you want to do is to remove the liner and then install the graphics onto your car using your soapy water and your squeegee, and this is what you get. So all you need to do now is wait for the graphics to dry up and then remove the transfer tape. The way to know is that just lift up a little bit and see if the sticker is dry yet. If it's not dry yet, just leave it there. Okay, and once it's dried up, you can lift up the transfer tape and we can move on to the next step of cutting. Alright, so now the soapy water has been drying for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to attempt to remove the transfer tape now, and then cut the vinyl at the door jambs and the seams. Alright guys, as you can see, I removed the transfer tape and this sticker looks phenomenal. Okay, so the next step you need to do is to cut the vinyl sticker at the seams, and what you need to do is lay your knife, position on your knife, make sure you have support, your finger support on the car itself, and cut, rest it along the door itself and move your blade down. Okay, that's all you need to do. Slowly move your blade down. Oops, that part came out, so it's okay, I can put it back, no problem. It's not really dry yet, but we can fix that, no problem. Right angle, right. Okay, I'll fix that later. Okay, so same thing. Move your blade slowly down rest the blade on this side of the car. Okay, and slowly move the blade down. Alright. It's not really dry yet. Technically, you'll need to let it dry, let it sit, let the soap dry up before you start the cut. Okay, so on this side, lay your knife, rest your knife on the passenger side of the door, and then just go straight down. Right, then what you need is your squeegee. And gently press the vinyl into the gap. Gently rub your finger along the gap. Make sure there's no bubbles. Right. So on this side as well, gently put your squeegee into the gap. Rub your fingers along the grooves. Make sure there's no bubbles coming out. And don't worry if the sticker is not sticking, because now it's really wet and the glue is not so adhesive. But when the sticker dries up, the glue will start to stick. Alright guys, so this is how you install graphics onto the side or any part of your car, and you know, it enhances the look of your car. Right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.